What it do? We are back with another video. I just woke up, so don't even get on my head about it. I'm about to head to the barbershop early in the morning. Get right. I look rough, as y'all can see. Really nothing to it, but after we head to the barbershop, I'm gonna get a haircut. Not even a haircut, just a lining. Got home late last night, like 1:30 or something like that. But a nice little kickback I had. Shout out to everybody that was at the party. Shout out everybody that I haven't seen in a long time. High school friends, long-term friends. My boy Dave just got back from the Navy. Shout out everybody that's in the military that came back home. Probably after the barbershop, probably go to the car wash because this car's dirty. I need to clean it. I need to vacuum it. Do all this good stuff. And then later on in the video, we gonna make a movie because I got a whole lot of things planned for today and today only. Ooh. Yeah, and I'm excited, man. My voice is a little it's my morning voice, but I'll catch y'all when I get to the barbershop. Man, just step foot out the barbershop. Y'all know how I'm coming. Go to that barbershop, Legends Barbershop, but they only accept appointments only, sometimes walk-ins. So if you guys want to hit them up, right here off of Indianapolis, right next to the liquor store, across the street from Citgo gas station. People who live around here knows where it's at. For people who don't, you have to look it up. Back in the game. Shout out to my barber, Rari. Been my barber for a long time. I'm talking about a long time. Since I was in middle school. Since I was in middle school. It's so damn nice out here. Boy. So sunny. It's nice and sunny with a little bit of wind. But if there was no wind, it'll be just nice and sunny. No, I'm just playing. Right now I'm leaving. About to hit the car wash. I know that mug about to be packed. I'm gonna have to wait, do all this other stuff. So I'm gonna just stay on the camera. I ain't got my seatbelt on. I thought it was safety first, remember? But yeah, let me just talk to you guys for a second. Cause some days are just some days. When shit hits the fan, it hits the fan. There's no way around it, under it, through it. Like it is what it is. Some people have bad days, some people have good days. That's just how it go. I woke up this morning, I was in a bad mood. Yesterday I had a headache because there was just too much stuff on my mind, I mean, it wasn't too much stuff, but it was just that. Yeah, look at them. 5-0. Oh, they're trying to get somebody. Look. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, like I said, yesterday I had a headache. I couldn't really enjoy myself just because of what, I was thinking about. But life goes on. There's no pausing in life. You can't get everything you want in life, you got to work for it. Life is all about taking risks. That's how I always see it ever since I was told. You know what I'm saying? Life is nothing but a gamble. You throw out the wrong cards, you're just gonna lose. You know what I'm saying? You gotta play with the cards you're dealt with. I'm just trying to make something out of nothing, But like I said, yesterday was fun and all. I seen people I haven't seen in a long time, which was great. Football teammates, just people from high school. It was cool and it was chill. Like, it wasn't a big party. It was just like a couple people, like 12, 15 people there. We were chilling, music, just talking it up. Some people left like 20 minutes later, so it's just like, it wasn't a whole lot. Anyways, all right, I'm done talking, but like I said, we about to hit the car wash. Once we hit the car wash, I'm gonna show you how to, everything that I do when I wash my car. Because it ain't nothing just wash and then just pull off. You know what I'm saying? You got stuff you gotta do. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in a minute. Oh Not even gonna lie, this mug packed. I mean, it's only packed because you got a vacuum and stuff. But like, for when you wash your car, you just go in. Look, people are just going in. That ain't a long line or nothing. Anyway, we at Easy Clean right here on Indianapolis. My favorite spot to come to. I like these vacuums. These vacuums go crazy. Oh, is it in park? All right, let's do this, man. Let me show you how to really clean the car. No cap. Got to take out the mats. Look at that. Dirty. That shit dirty. Vacuum that shit later. Let's get the other one out since this one ain't that dirty because I always keep that one on there. But this is my first time recording in public, bro. This is weird. Make sure you get all crumbs out there. You don't want no crumbs. Every time I come, I vacuum. Every time I come, I wipe down my windows. Man, it's a whole process. Look, I need 2 hands for this, so pick the camera back up when I clean my windows. Man, dude, I'm about mad as hell. Dude, I'm telling y'all, when people get in your car, y'all need to tell them to take their garbage with them. Like, it's crazy. I got garbage here. I got Hershey wrapper right here. I hate this, bro. I really do. I got a McDonald's cup that's not even mine. Dude, my rug is all fucked up. Like, come on, man. Like, I hate when people don't know how to take care of other people's cars. Like, I don't leave trash in my car. And if I do leave some trash in somebody else's car, I'm gonna take it with me, not stuff it under the seat. I hope you know who you are, because you know that shit doesn't fly with me. I don't know how would you do it anyway. I'm gonna continue vacuuming. I just wanted to show y'all. Damn, stupid. Yeah, man. After vacuuming, I clean my windows. I don't like when people touch my windows. Fingerprints and all that other stuff. I hate it. So I just clean it just like this. And then after that, that's the wet one. I get the dry one. So there's no streaks. It ain't a tutorial on how to wash our cars, but this is how I wash my car every time I come. Because it's something new. Just like how I showed y'all with garbage. That stuff did not fly with me. I cleaned all the windows. This is my last one. We about to go ahead and get in this car wash. Damn, it's nice. What I do first is, since they got this blue tile I wipe my windows off first. I do all 4 windows so there won't be no dry water marks. Then they'll stay there, then they'll look ugly. No, wipe my back windows. The dryer gets it mostly, but I want to get it all. Finally got a car wash for like, since I haven't got a car wash in like 2 weeks. What the hell, 2 weeks? Some people know that I like to have my car clean at all times and have it smelling good. Go to AutoZone, get you guys, a cleaning kit, whatever. Tire shine, interior, some towels to dry off your car, microfiber. I use microfiber towels. Oh. Thought I was locked out my car for a second. It wouldn't be the first time. So look, this is what I use to clean the inside of my windows. Dollar Tree, $1. Get it, get 3 of them, just so you can have it. I got these microfiber towels. I grabbed 2, just so they can soak up. I'm in front of somebody's house, but I'm sure they don't mind. The car wash was packed, so I dry off all this. The guy was so nice that he even waved at me. I'm talking about get all the watermarks up. All of it. And then in the summertime, when it gets real hot outside, 80, 90 degrees, that's where I hand wash my car. Some days, if I'm just chilling or I just wake up early, I'll get up and I just decide to hand wash my car. Just so I can be productive. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy the nice weather. Do something. But yeah, y'all get the memo. Dry off the whole car. Have that look it shiny. Tell me why I seen a green Lambo on Indianapolis. It was on Indianapolis and Hammond, Indiana. That mug drove past me so damn fast. Yeah, that mug clean. Certified car cleaner. Yeah, that's me. Amazon's here. They got my order. Psych ass. I don't even live over here. It still looks ridiculous. It got paint on half the car. I can't get it off. I might just ordered a new part. All right, so I dried off everything on my car. So next, put this on your tires to make them look sleek as hell. First, I gotta put on these gloves. Then I get back to y'all. Gotta put down the camera real quick. What I do is I'll put the tire gel, Black Magic, on this sponge. Get it from AutoZone. Just all around. Talk about this. This will make your tire look good. It's gonna get messy, so you're gonna need a glove. I bought these gloves a couple weeks ago. Same thing for that side. Same thing. Get all around the tire. If you don't get all around the tire, it's gonna look done. Every motor looking clean. And just like that, that car is clean. Real clean. I'm talking about smell good, everything. Look good. Just pop open you a tree, let it hang for a couple days, and just add to your collection, which I got over here. Don't ask me why I got all these trees. I don't know. They're just old ones, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just popped this one open right now. So, I'm gonna probably put that over there in a couple days, you know? Yeah, that's what I do. Every time I wash your car, that's what I do. But I don't roll down my windows. Don't roll down your windows after you get a car wash. Because that just defeats the whole purpose of getting a car wash, you know what I'm saying? So what I do is I open my sunroof all the way and let the air circulate since it's a nice day. Of course, I'm sweating, but easy, easy, easy. I'm not driving with no hands. Dangerous. I'm going 50 miles per hour. Anyway, safety first. Got to buckle up. But like I was saying, after the car wash, about to head home, take a shower. We'll see where we're at with that. I'll catch y'all in a few. Anyway, just hopped out the shower, got ready. I swear this ain't the same black shirt. It's a different black shirt. It's nice out, sun's out. Had to bust the breads out. Wait. Gotta cross the street. Got my little homie with me. What's up? Alright, come on. Run across. We about to head to the mall. Probably pick up some kicks. I'll talk to you guys when we get to the mall. Got my Dukes with me too, so you'll see her today. Yo, the mall is packed. The mall is packed. The mall is packed. About to eat. About to shop. I'll let y'all know what I get from the food court. Yeah, you already know where we at with it. What up, my Dukes? You should give me what?
I want.
Take a one item of bourbon chicken, noodles. Yeah.
Which one's the bourbon up there? Bourbon chicken, the one in the middle? Yeah. I want chicken next to it. And this one right here is big. Yeah, bourbon chicken. Yeah, bourbon chicken. Is that bourbon and orange?
No, just bourbon.
Just bourbon?
Yeah. Appreciate it.
This bags?
Yeah, this bitch back. We got lots of those. Unfortunately, no shoes. Fuck them. I'm talking about it was packed in there. Lines were long. Man, I did eat good though. I was hungry. I'm talking about hungry. But it's whatever. I'm about to get back in the car, head to my boy Jordan's house. Then we're just gonna go off from there. Y'all stay tuned and watch the whole video. Cause tonight, it's about to be a movie. A good movie. Like I know the last video I was in one place, but I'm everywhere today. So, damn, I'm kind of upset I didn't get no shoes. It's a Saturday evening. This parking lot is filled with cars. I'm talking about every parking spot is filled. I had to wait for somebody to get out so I can pull in, so I can get close to the door at least. But as soon as you walk in, there's lines at every store. Y'all don't know how to act when y'all get $1,400. But it's all straight. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Made it to Jordan's house. My half black, half Mexican brother. Here he go. Hold up. Ready? Ooh, bro. Yo, what up, man?
What up, boy? How
Chilling. Chilling.
Shit.
Hey, where we about to go?
To the city, you already know, man.
Anybody else coming with us?
Shit, we gonna get a Mari, you feel me?
Yeah, and then go to the gas station. Gotta fill up. For you guys who don't know, this is Jordan's whip. Yeah, it's dirty, but I'm still gonna put it on camera. Got the 24s. Inch rims on the Challenger. Yo, this mug heat, dog.
I appreciate it, bro.
RT.
RT, baby.
RT Hemi. 5.7, don't play. Got the
You look like a zillion bucks.
got a Carmine's on, bro.
Oh
This nigga don't know how to act.
Oh my
Bro,
God.
I don't know how to act either. I got the breads on. Got the breads, my nigga.
Shit,
Yo.
So we step on our shoes, we fight it today.
I'm gonna have to fight somebody, I ain't gonna lie. Is he ready?
Yeah.
Look like we can be blood brothers, bro.
Oh my God.
Oh snap! Yeah, we both half black, half Mexican. Sort of act the same, but sometimes not. Sometimes not. Where's Lulu?
Bro, he's all the way in, I think he's in Schaumburg.
What the fuck?
Zoe, they're shopping or something.
Oh, look at my boy booed up shopping.
Oh my gosh. Full price and Solars on sale.
Bro, the mall was packed.
Bro.
I couldn't even get no shoes.
Damn. Sorry, bro.
Mm.
Hopefully we'll have better luck with the time.
Yeah, alright. You know how many people are out right now? This guy. Look at this. Oh. Man, get in the car. We about to go.
Are we taking your car, bro?
We're taking both cars.
Both?
What? You gonna take my car?
I was kind of hoping, bro. This bitch got an alternator problem.
Bro?
Yeah, it did start last night when I was at Lenore's house.
Oh, bro.
And the gear shift got stuck. I couldn't get it dry.
Look.
I already freaked out, bro. Oh my God. I want to go get home. I was like, bro, calm down.
This man's having a problem with his car. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah.
All right. We'll see you guys at gas station.
Get some gas before we head to the city. Yeah. Yup. It's gonna be Bonehead And then the other bonehead, copyright. Oh, I'm dead. You know, but after we fill up, we about to head to the city. Just take some pictures, man. I don't know. Enjoy the day, because why not? It got a little bit of cold, but we're gonna go over there by the fucking lake, so it's probably even gonna be colder. Just clean my car. Yep, clean. Oh, sounds nice. We'll probably go get some food out there too. Oh. 2001, baby. The year I was born, for sure. But I'll get up with you guys once we're in the city. We is downtown with it. Eating, shopping. Oh, wow. This shit dope. Later on, though, it's gonna get serious. Fuck. You was funny.
Bro, I don't even look right, bro. I need a haircut.
Yo, you was funny. Tell me why we in Macy's, right? And we shopping for nothing. What? I hate doing this. I hate doing this shit, bro. Me and him. Look at it.
Okay. Why would you be cool like this shit, bro?
Bro, I don't even care. Like, you just scuffed the J's. Not like that.
Huh?
Huh?
That's better for
What?
That's better.
Ever.
I don't know. I need a haircut, bro.
Hey, try on these shorts. These bitches. Got the drip, little drip. I'm just kidding. Bro, there's no employees at this Macy's. Everybody called off. Feeling yourself for no reason.
You said what?
You feeling yourself for no reason.
Bro.
Downtown Chicago.
What you was doing tonight, though?
Bro, what?
Right now?
Yeah. I'm recording throughout this whole day.
Oh, merch.
Yeah.
This filter look cold as hell.
No, they don't.
You don't like that filter?
Nope.
Bro. Oh, which one do you? Oh, you want this one?
Maybe.
You out with it? They want a bang. You want a bang, and they pull out a bang. You want a bang? Me?
Ready? Let's go.
I am kind of thirsty, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro.
But no flakes. You feel me? No-
How do you do that? Spending a whole day in Chicago, bro. That shit crazy. Where's these group of people coming from?
Oh, God.
Discovered a
Okay.
great place to build a city by a Haitian man named
Hey, her jersey cold. You seen that?
Like, this is the alley. This where they throw the trash out. Taking pictures of you in your apartment, bro.
Huh?
Huh? What you said? I thought I wrote it and said something.
Bro, don't talk to me like that. Don't ever just say that again. Don't ever flex me on my video like that. You know where my car is?
Yeah,
Where is that?
it's that way.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah.
Oh, that lighting. Bro, what if I got a ticket on my car? Hey, how you doing, picture lady?
Bro, you gonna take a picture with a random person?
No, she's taking a picture of the Chicago Theater.
Bro, go in front of them and be like, so.
No, I'm not doing that. You do that.
Alright.
No, I ain't. Hell no, don't do that. Oh, look at the officer. Look at Mr. Officer. Bro, we don't mess with the Chicago Cubs. Lost my car. Okay. Okay, so we're currently looking for my car, so because I parked it in a discreet location. But we've been having a whole big day in the city, bro. This shit is dope. Look. Oh, look. Now it's about to get loud since the train's coming. All right, now it's gone. Hey, man, can you do a kickflip for me? Can you do a kickflip?
Can I do a kickflip?
Yeah.
I tried, but this is shitty right here.
You know what? It's all right. Just try. Oh, A for effort. Hey, good shit, good shit. Good. Huh? Yo, where your camera at? Man, I don't know what took them so fucking long.
Hey, what's good,
Yo! We got C in the cut. We got J in the cut.
What's going on?
What up, what up?
Jay here.
Y'all been waiting for a long time, ain't it?
Yeah,
We've been waiting for like an hour, ain't it? What are the donuts?
What's going on?
The brownies?
They're good.
Yeah.
Yo, finally linked
Are
up
those
with
wheat
Living
brownies?
With,
No.
Eli.
I'm dead as
Eli in
hell.
the
What
cut.
up, what up, what up? Living life with Dupree, baby.
Ooh.
Y'all ready for the night?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You ready for the night? Even though she's the one that said my video was lame, that was the one guy. I don't know if y'all knew, but that girl right there, she told me that it was lame, and I got butthurt.
I love you, so shut up.
But she said sorry. So anyway, what's up, my brother?
What's going on, bro?
Chilling. Why'd you stop?
Oh, because I do different scenes.
Oh,
Yeah. You too. I saw your braids on.
I don't have breads on.
What you got on?
I got my fours on. Oh, glad got both y'all stupid asses.
Thought you got me, boy. Oh, this dude. He got the tires for it.
I'm tired of seeing him though.
He got the tires for it. I guess.
Yeah, me too. It's okay.
Yes, hold on. That shit sex. What?
Ready? We're here at spot number 2, and it's not busting like how the first spot was.
I lost the earring.
And he lost the earring.
I lost the earring.
But he got us donuts, so it's alright. It's a plus. So after the cops come, we're gonna go to spot 3. That's SRT Hellcat. Wow. Big smoke, big smoke.
I missed the whole thing, man.
Hey, he about to get the cops to get coming. God. I'm not a Mustang fan, but That was dope. On to the next spot. I don't even matter.
Shit, we at the third spot with it.
I want to see what's knocking the boots off of them. Damn, bro. What the fuck is that, bro? Hella cars over here, bro. Look at this. Look at this. You want to go over there?
Yeah, I'm going.
What the fuck is that? What is it?
Oh, that was that Honda that was over there.
That's not even an Infinity, bro. That's just a Honda. That shit's heat. Bro, there's hella people out here. Oh, Scatty.
Shit.
Red Brimbos. Yo, this is heat. Yo, that's heat. Smell like weed.
You get the. Smells like mota.
Oh. Cranberry head. You got Nitto tires? Just pressure. Home from the city. We back home. Dunkin' Donuts picked up a shake after we were done racing people. Hey, who is trying to keep up with us, bro?
Some lame ass Honda. I got chocolate banana shake.
I'm tired. I'm tired, bro. Yo, that was a successful day. That shit was crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. That shit was crazy. Dude, that dude was going fast.
Yeah, that shit too good. Everything. He was following. Yeah, the Honda. He was following. He was following. Hey, they thought.
Hey, this dude was in the passenger seat just chilling the whole time. Anyway, the day has been full of activities. I'm sorry if this video is long. I definitely try to make it a movie for you guys. Hope y'all like the video. Hope you click like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, man. It's your boy Living Life with Dupree, and I'm out.